Hello my friends, welcome back to my woodworking channel. Today I am going to show you a table I built out of a wonderful Cedro cookie slab. Cedro, or Spanish cedar, is native to Central and South America and also grows in plantations. It's pretty easy to work with, has a rather low density, and is pretty soft. It has a relatively uniform light pinkish to reddish brown color that tends to darken with age. This particular slab has been treated with wax on the upper side. That's why it looks so dark. When you turn it, you can see how the wood looks without wax. Apparently, it was flattened already, or it was cut with a jig because it's completely flat on that side. That made it pretty easy for me to run the slab directly through my amazing monster planer called Olma. In case you haven't seen my video showing you this beast, I leave you the link here. When running end grain slabs through a planer, you need to take really small passes. I only removed 0.5 millimeter per pass. This is how the slab looked after flattening. You can literally see the tree, how it grew. Just gorgeous. There was a weird metal plate on the side of the slab that needed to be removed. No idea what it was for. If you know, leave a comment to let me know. The live edge was pretty dirty and required intense cleaning. I like using a hard plastic brush for that, but even with that, it took quite a while to clean them. The live edges had two weird spots that had a lot of splinters and were kind of torn out. These need sanding to prevent people from hurting themselves. I did this with one of my favorite tools, the Arbortech Mini Carver. After that, I sanded both sides with a 60 grit paper on the stroke sanding machine. In case you wonder, yes, it's like a gigantic belt sander, and I love it. I always name my tables, so I engraved its name with the shaper origin. Then I sanded both sides up to 180 grit with the orbital sander. The stroke sander leaves a lot of marks, which the orbital sanding can remove. I applied Rubio Monocoat Pure on the bottom side of the slab. It's important to treat both sides with the same coating to ensure that the slab absorbs the same amount of humidity from both sides. Else, the risk of warping increases. I also applied Rubio Monocoat to the sides. And finally, of course, to the top side of the table. Here you see how I remove the excess Rubio Monocoat coating. That was it. Working with Cedro was pretty easy. I like the final look, and I especially like how one can see the tree structure on that slab. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you liked this little video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you around.